SMAW welding, or shielded metal arc welding, is one of the most widely used welding processes in various industries due to its simplicity, versatility, and effectiveness. It is often referred to as stick welding because it uses a consumable electrode coated with flux. This flux coating protects the weld area by producing a shielding gas and slag that covers the molten metal, preventing contamination from the atmosphere. SMAW is commonly used for welding ferrous metals, particularly carbon steel and low-alloy steels, but it can also be applied to stainless steel, cast iron, and certain non-ferrous metals with the right electrodes. One of the key advantages of SMAW welding is its portability and minimal equipment requirements. Unlike other welding methods that need shielding gas cylinders and more complex setups, SMAW only requires a welding power source, electrodes, and basic protective gear. This makes it ideal for outdoor work, remote locations, and maintenance or repair jobs where access to gas supplies is limited. Because of this flexibility, SMAW is widely used in construction, shipbuilding, pipeline welding, heavy equipment repair, and infrastructure projects. SMAW welding is suitable for welding thick materials and can create strong, durable welds capable of withstanding high stress and harsh conditions. It performs well in all positions, flat, horizontal, vertical, and overhead, allowing welders